In today's video, I'm going to show you how to move a signature in Docusign. Whether you're completely new or just trying to refine your workflow, this step-by-step guide will help you confidently adjust signature placement inside any document. So let's get started. First, head over to the Docusign website. This platform is widely known for its electronic signature and intelligent agreement management tools, and everything begins right from the homepage. Once you're there, click the login button and sign in to your account. If you don't have one yet, you can easily create it by following the simple instructions provided on the site. After logging in, you'll be taken to your main dashboard. From here, look for the Start button. This is where you begin the process of preparing and editing your document. When you click Start, Docusign will ask for a few basic details to proceed, such as identifying the document or selecting the type of transaction you're working with. Make sure to fill in all required fields so you don't run into interruptions later. Once your details are set, click the Next button. This moves you to the document editing stage where you can add, remove, or modify fields. This section is especially important because any adjustments you make here will determine how clean and accurate your final document appears. Take a moment to verify that everything looks correct before moving forward. Now, you'll see a variety of tools on the screen. Among these options, find the Signature tool clicking. It will bring up a panel where you can select, move, or adjust signature fields. If the signature is already on your document, simply click it and drag it to the exact location where you want it to appear. You can reposition it as needed until it aligns perfectly with your layout. Docusign makes this process very intuitive, so even beginners can easily get the hang of it. If at any point you feel unsure, Docusign provides helpful tips and guidance right inside the editor. These can be extremely useful when you're working with more detailed agreements and want every element to be properly placed. Take your time to position the signature neatly so your document maintains a professional look. Moving your signature isn't just about appearance. Proper placement also ensures your document meets compliance standards and avoids delays in processing. A clean, well-structured document always makes a better impression, especially in business or legal workflows. Getting comfortable with these tools will help you work more efficiently every time you create or send a document for signing. With these steps, you now know how to confidently move and adjust signatures within Docusign. It's a simple process once you know where everything is, and it gives you full control over how your documents are presented. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.